Education builds nations, and Africa's oil and gas future demands it. Fueling prosperity, equitable resources, equitable future is not just a book. It is a powerful tool for Somalia and the entire continent. Written by engineer Fiscal and his sons, Mohammed and Mohamud, this work equips students, policymakers, and professionals with the knowledge to negotiate fair contracts, safeguard national wealth, and build a workforce ready for tomorrow. Leaders and experts agree. From Mogadishu to Maputo, from Somalia to the Sahel, this is Africa's powerful tool for equitable prosperity. Local knowledge, Pan-African impact. This is more than research. It is a mini-MBA, a call to every student, every leader, every nation. Educate yourself, educate our youth, educate our leaders. The future of Africa's prosperity begins with knowledge. Fueling prosperity. Now available on Amazon in paperback and hardcover.